It is pouring rain. You can't even see the city. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's gonna be a solo weekend in the life, how I spend time alone. I thought it would be really fun to vlog with all of you. I just woke up, Nick just left. He's going to Cleveland to visit his family. I originally was supposed to go to New York City. If you watch my Cleveland vlog, you'll know I said that in that vlog, but my brother ended up getting mono and I decided not to go on the trip. For context, he is already in Jersey City. He goes to school there and my parents were gonna go move him out and we're all gonna take like a family trip there. But then he became ill. Don't mind my clothes hanging there to dry. So I decided not to go because of that and because my work has been really busy and I would have had to take it off 2 days and it would just been a whole ordeal. So we're hanging out by ourselves this weekend. Well, it's like not the whole weekend, it's Saturday morning. Nick was here last night and we got some dinner at the Urban Tap and went to Lorelei for cocktails. So it was a fun little night. But anyway, I'm rambling and I just thought it would be fun to vlog this weekend. I'm gonna do some shopping today and I really wanted to like go on a walk to the Strip District and get some coffee, but it is literally pouring rain, so I don't think that's gonna happen today. We are going to the gym. Don't sleep on Target workout sets. I got this at Target a couple weeks ago. This is so comfortable. The material is like very luxe, very soft, and very reasonably priced. This room is like so messy because we traveled to Austin, then to Lexington, then we had like 2 weeks off and I was like really sick, and then we went to Cleveland, and then this week I was supposed to go to New York, so I left my suitcase out. So I don't know, either later today or tomorrow I definitely need to take care of that room. But right now I'm going to the gym. I think I want to do like a 20-25 minute run. It's a lot later than I normally work out. It's like 1:30. I spent this whole morning editing a vlog, editing my Cleveland vlog. Normally I edit during the week, but I didn't really have time this week, so it was like all today. And normally I go to the gym at like 10 or 11 on Saturdays, but we're gonna go to the gym. There's no rush. I really have no plans except for my little shopping adventure, so we definitely have time for a workout. I had a really good workout. It's like 3 p.m. It's probably really loud in here because our dryer is going, but I decided to make some Trader Joe's gluten-free mac and cheese. I really like the gluten-free one. I feel like it just kind of digests better, but I'm like starving and I don't know what I'm gonna do for dinner. Maybe I'll like pick up a salad somewhere, but I'm just like really hungry and I need some mac and cheese. It's been a minute, but I want to show you guys some apartment updates. We got this green tree a couple weeks ago at home, and I really think it helps like complete this area. Just looking a little empty before, and I like the color it brings here. And then we also got this art in Austin. I showed it in my Austin vlog. We just kind of have it propped up against the wall here. And don't mind my bed. My sheets are in the wash, so it's bed laundry day, but I have these beautiful like woven baskets. My mom got these for me from Amazon for Easter, and they just look so pretty above the bed. And shout out to my dad for putting them up for us. And then here, this area is a little messy, but I got this vase last weekend in Cleveland from Crate and Barrel, and I really like it. And I'm going to show you guys what this is in a minute. Oh, it looks so good, so yummy. So I really want to thank Diane from Seems Easy. She has a YouTube channel and an Etsy store. We love supporting a small business. She sent these over to me and these are so cute. This is a carrier for the Stanley Cup, and she personalized it with a K initial here, and I can put my Stanley in it to make transporting it easy. If you guys watch my video, you know that was one of my biggest qualms with the Stanley Cup, is how difficult it is to transport. So I absolutely love this product. I think it's a genius idea, and you should definitely check out her shop and order one for yourself. She also does YouTube videos, and I believe she shares with her followers how to make some of these patterns over on her channel. And I think this one here, this like Christmassy holly one, this like Halloween one, and this Steelers one are free. I think, I'm not exactly sure, but definitely check out her channel for more information. These are so cute. I love that she sent me purple because I told her my favorite color is purple. That's so awesome. Thanks so much, Diane. I love these. I really appreciate them. I love supporting other channels and small businesses. I'll definitely pop your Etsy store on the screen here, as well as link it in the description box, and definitely check her out. So here's the carrier in action. I put it around my Stanley Cup. Love this purple pattern. It's so pretty, and you basically just put this around your shoulder, wear it like a purse, and it's super easy to transport, which we love. Definitely will make me more inclined to bring my Stanley into the office. So I love this. We are all ready to go to the mall. I have some very specific things that I want at the mall. I want Lululemon biker shorts. I've been going to Spin twice a week, and I just feel like biker shorts for Spin, they have to be high quality, otherwise they don't really work. So we're gonna go to Lulu and see what they have. I really need some more Bath & Body Works shower gels. Believe it or not, I'm like totally out of them, and I've just been using like method shower gels. So I really wanna swing by Bath & Body, and hopefully they have some sort of sale. I'm on the lookout for some outfits for some traveling that I'm doing this summer. I did get some stuff last weekend, but I just want to see like if there's anything else, like any cute like summer dresses, summer tops. So that's really what I'm looking for. So it's pretty specific. And then of course, if I find a good deal or if I find something really cute, you know, it happens. Let's go to the mall. I just want to make sure I didn't leave this light on. No, I think that's just the sun coming in. We're gonna go to Ross Park Mall and do some shopping. So I just finished up at the mall. I got some things at Lululemon that I'm gonna show you guys when I get home. And I got my stuff at Bath & Body. Other than that, I really didn't find too much stuff. I tried on a lot of different things, and I don't know, just not a lot was hitting. I know something about me is I tend to not like flowy dresses, and I feel like it's so tricky for summer. And like if you're going somewhere that's more like beachy, like to find dresses that are cute that aren't like super flowy and like baggy. I just find that style is like not the most flattering on me. I need like a little bit more of a structure to my dress. So I feel like that's always frustrating whenever I'm trying to find dresses for summer, especially like beachier dresses. But I'm still really happy with what I got from Lululemon. I can't wait to show you guys. It's like perfect. I think I'm gonna head to Target and get some essentials like paper towels, toilet paper, Windex, all of that fun stuff, and then head back to our apartment. So we're back home. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. I didn't get too much, but what I did get was pricey. So starting with my Lululemon purchase, I got a pair of just the classic black biker shorts, and these ones are the Wonder Train HR short. These are definitely more of a tighter fit, which I think will be good for biking. And then I got this matching like tank top bra. I really like this because it's like a little bit longer than a sports bra, so I feel like it shows kind of like the right amount of skin paired together, at least for me. And this is the Lululemon Align tank. Yeah, so I've heard like so much about these Align tanks, and I must say like this outfit was just made me feel really snatched, and I really like the material. It just felt good. I had tried on a couple sets at Aerie, and the quality was just not there. Like the Aerie ones are pretty soft, but they just like were not as flattering, like not nearly as flattering. So I get the hype about Lululemon. I didn't in the past, but ever since I've become a Spin gal, I really do like it. So I'm gonna be growing my collection, hopefully. I picked up a dress for 20 bucks at American Eagle. eagle. I thought this was so cute. This is like very like Gen Z style too. I love it. Like it's a little camisole dress with these green and white stripe. I thought it would just be super cute with a pair of white sneakers for summer. And I just like how it's a straight, more like fitted dress and not something like loose and flowy. I just like that it has like structure, but it's not too tight, it's not too thin. So I thought this was a great price, and I will probably get a lot of wear out of it this summer. And then a Bath and Body, you know, I was able to use a 20% off coupon, and I did the buy 2 body care get 1 free. So all in all, honestly, I think it's definitely a better deal than getting just like one Method or one Native body wash at Target or whatever. And I just think these smell so good. Like you just smell so good and fresh when you use Bath and Body Works. So I got Japanese Cherry Blossom. That's my favorite B&B scent of all time. I got At the Beach. This is another one I really do like for summer. And then I got Rose, another like classic floral scent. It looks like, ooh, the semi-annual sale starts June 3rd. Wow, I'm so excited. That's incredible. So anyway, that's everything that I got. I'm going to eat a salad from Trader Joe's and probably watch the YouTube. It is 12 o'clock. I just got out of church and I got some Lululemon coffee. I always get the black and tan. It's so good. Now I'm gonna head to Trader Joe's and maybe Whole Foods and do the grocery shopping for the week. It's such a nice day in Pittsburgh. It's like 80 degrees and sunny. It's super warm, and I think this whole week is supposed to be warm, which we love. Okay, you guys, I am back from Whole Foods and Trader Joe's. I did a really big stock up. We've been traveling so much that we've only been buying like a few groceries just to get us through like the weeks. So I did like a gigantic stock up. So I thought it would be fun to show you guys. I got this lemon arugula basil salad kit from Trader Joe's. I've never had this one, but I really like Trader Joe's on salad kits. I feel like the Caesar one is really good. And I don't know, they're just like very affordable, but I've never had this one. Sorry, my counter's wet and I don't want to get this wet. I also got some spring mix. This is pretty much a staple. I pretty much get this every week from Trader Joe's. I got some basil for a recipe I'm gonna make tonight. I got fresh blackberries. I got tomatoes also for the recipe that I'm gonna make tonight. I got 2 bags of broccoli. I pretty much get this every week. I got mozzarella for the recipe I'm gonna make later. Hummus, another staple. I get this a lot. And I got some pico de gallo. I'm not the biggest fan of Trader Joe's salsas, but I don't think I've ever had the pico. And then I got some fresh cut cantaloupe. Moving on to the second bag, I got some of this popcorn to snack on. The whole wheat English muffins. I also love these. Only $1.99, and you get like 6 muffins. Like you can't beat that. Got some more eggs. I I got these breaded chicken tenders. I've never had these, but I thought they would be like a good staple to have on hand. I got brown rice. This is something I also get a lot. Just a really easy, healthy side. This cacio e pepe. It's also really, really good if you haven't tried it. As for meat this week, I got salmon. I pretty much eat salmon every week. It's just so easy. Season it up, throw it in the oven. You have yourself a really healthy dinner. I got the spicy Italian chicken sausage. Nick and I both like this flavor the best. This is also easy, you know, just put it in a skillet. And then I got some all-natural chicken breast for the recipe tonight. I pretty much either get chicken breast or chicken thighs every week as well. Moving on to our third Trader Joe's bag. I told you guys it was a big stock up. I got these everything bagel sandwich crackers with cream cheese filling. I've never seen these before. I'm so excited to try them because I love the everything bagel line. It's so good. I got some pita crackers to dip in hummus. I got some pasta for the recipe tonight. I think we have pasta here, but I wasn't sure, so I figured I would just pick up some more just in case. I got this whole wheat couscous. This is another staple. Nick and I eat this all the time. It goes really good with like salmon, and it's really flavorful. So I think it's pretty healthy for you. It's kind of similar to quinoa, but it's really good. I like it. I got 3 apples, 2 avocados, and 2 potatoes. I think we're gonna try big potatoes this week, maybe with our salmon. We typically do sweet potatoes, but I'm just feeling a regular baked potato. I also went to Whole Foods for some fun specialty items. I don't go to Whole Foods every week, but this is why I really went there, because I love these Topo Chico seltzers, twist of lime. They're so good. I got 4 of these. And then I also love these granola bars. They are with protein, sea salt, and quinoa, Peruvian cocoa peanut butter. I think they have pretty good ingredients and they're really filling, so I like to take these to work for a snack. And then I also got the mint chocolate chip protein bar as well. This is good for like a quick breakfast. And then I got some of the Sweet Lorenz chocolate fudgy cookies. My friends are coming over on Friday, so I might make these for us. So, or I might eat these myself, I'm not sure. But this is another like fun thing that I picked up there. And then I got some Zevia colas. I don't think we've had Zevia cola since we moved in here like over 3 months ago. So I thought these would be nice to have on hand. And then I did get one more thing. That is some flowers at Trader Joe's. I got baby's breath and then these pretty pink flowers to make a bouquet. Because once again, my friends are coming over later in the week, so I figured that would be nice to have on hand. So that's everything that I got. I'm gonna finish putting this away and then change out my church clothes because I'm really, really hot. Okay, you guys, this concludes my solo weekend. Nick should be home within the next hour or so. I made some dinner. I tried a new recipe. I made this chicken one-pot pasta, even though you took the chicken out, but you like make the sauce in one pot. And it was pretty good. I will say, I feel like I should have started the sauce first because it took a long time. I also didn't use broth. I just used water. So I think that's why it wasn't like as good, but I definitely would try it again, but I probably would use broth. And maybe, I know there are some different recipes out there. Some people say like doing cream cheese. I did mozzarella, but it was still pretty good and I enjoyed trying a new recipe. It had a lot of flavor. I feel like the fresh basil was definitely key. But thanks for hanging out with me this weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Subscribe for more vlogs. I'm going to be vlogging a lot this summer, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.